Hi everybody, today I'm going to show you how to make crepes. To the flour, add salt, 1 egg and 1 egg yolk, milk, vanilla, and olive oil. After you mix everything well, cover in a plastic wrap and keep it in the fridge for 1 hour. After 1 hour, after you take it out, just mix it, and then we are ready to make the crepes. So this is an old video that I deleted and I'm editing now. Do not use non-stick pans, they are toxic. Use stainless steel pan. Heat it very well first, and then brush with oil, and then put your batter. And after you put it, you turn the pan around and around to spread it evenly. It will take about 90 seconds on the first side, and then after you flip it, it will take maybe 30 seconds on the other side. So it's very fast. And I made 9 in total. And don't forget to share, like, subscribe, write a comment, and hit the notification bell. And thank you for watching.